Hello everyone, and welcome to my webinar. Today we'll have a deep discussion about crypto, forex pairs, and other financial pairs. So, guys, feel free to use the chat there on YouTube, and for those who are watching me on TradingView, also use the chat there. Feel free to ask anything. Today we'll do some changes. Okay, so what we'll do, we will not go to all those crypto pairs. We will go and watch just some of them. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time to watching the pairs that are not ready, because the most of the crypto pairs are still waiting, are still in the making and still in the finishing of this big structure. So guys, are you with me? Let me know. Let's see what you guys are trading. Do you have any open positions on crypto, forex? And use the chat. Let me know where we should start. Are we are going to watch crypto today first, or we are going with the forex pairs? Let me know. Feel free. Just use the chat. No sound, please. Okay, we have a comment that we have no sound. Is there anyone who can confirm that we have sound and screen and everything works properly? Okay, we have some questions there about ADA and Philcoin. There is sound. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. We already have some questions about crypto, for about ADA, Philcoin, Theta. Okay, okay, thank you, Maria, for confirmation that everything works fine. For those who are having the problems with screen or sound, refresh the page, try to reconnect or something. Okay, probably this is on your side. Thank you also for TradingView. So we have a stable connection and stable screen, so you can hear me. That's perfect. So we can start. I see that, guys, you are really ready and waiting for this setup. Okay, I got a lot of messages in the private that you've been waiting for this webinar. Maybe someday we will organize and we will do this kind of the webinar in the middle of the week. Okay, so we may have it sometimes on the Wednesday for free for the general public, so you'll also be able to watch it. Okay, but not now. Okay, now we are having a lot of appointments and I cannot handle it at the moment. Okay, so for those who are interested to join my academy, we're doing really fine. And if you want to get educated, there's the 6 to 8 weeks training course where you will get properly educated, you will become financially stable, and you will know how to generate those profits. You will know how to take big profits and risk small. For example, this week we took a lot of profit there on New Zealand pairs. New Zealand pairs did an amazing around 7% of their profit. So if you're risking only 100 euros, you're supposed to have a 700 years of profit booked on your account. Okay, this is the minimum. If you will be the worst trader, this is what you should have. Okay, so let's go. Let's have a look there. ADA. Let's take a look there on some crypto pairs. So for those, do we have forex guys already there? I know that some of them will join later, but let's see if the others are with me at the moment. We're waiting for crypto. Uh, let's say we will watch and take a look on ADA. Let's see where it is. Have it. Cardano. Cardano, we want to see where is it? Okay, we have a question on ADA. What is it happening? Okay, it doesn't look it's ready right now. Okay, what we can have there is this chart can push lower. Just a second. Why? My drawing tool is not working. Just a second. My drawing tool is not working. Let's see. Something something has just. Oh, okay, perfect. It works now. This is sometimes problem with this technology. They just got freeze. Okay, so yeah, we have Forex interest there. Yeah, Maria is our student, our great trader. Let's go ADA. What do we see there is I don't recommend you at the moment to start watching for your buy setups. Okay, why not? I don't see the momentum. I don't see the momentum right now. We'll see what it will happen, but this can easily push lower. Okay, this can go lower, give you at least something like this, bigger correction before pushing higher. Possibility also exists that it will tag the previous low. Why? This could be 1, 2, and 3 wave, and then it will continue more to the downside. Okay, so you have to be careful on crypto those days. So ADA, I do not recommend you to do anything. Philcoin, Philcoin. I don't have that one, but let's have a look. Philcoin. How Philcoin? I think is this one probably. Philcoin Bitcoin. Yeah, it's the same Phil Bitcoin. Let's have a look. What do we have there? I just clean up a little bit those crypto pairs because since last few weeks you gave me a lot of pairs and the watch list was too huge, so I just delete some of them which were really not looking good. So Philcoin, you missed a lot over there. Let's see if you can watch for any buy stops. Yes, you can. Okay, you can start watching for any buy stops. Let's see how this will develop. Okay, we have a nice correction which is trying to push lower, but if this will start to push higher, you can buy on a strong breakout over there. Watch it. If there will be a strong breakout, you can join this buy, but this is not gonna last longer. Okay, so this is just a short-term trade. Probably it will go break those tops. You have to be prepared to take off your profit. Okay, don't think that this will just fly away. Okay, it will not. We need a bigger correction. Okay, if we want this to go higher, we need a bigger correction, something like that, and then we will go for this kind of the move. Okay, but if it will go from there, it's not gonna go far. It will go break those tops, and then it will correct back, then it will continue its way to the upside. Okay, so be careful, watch it during the week how that will develop. We have also a question about DOGE. Okay, I will watch it. Just give me a few seconds. There was one guy before you. He was asking for those crypto coins. Theta. Okay, I think that I have this one. Theta. TH. Oh, I don't have it. Theta Bitcoin. Let's have a look. That one will also get ready, but it's not ready yet. Okay, we have just half of the structure there, guys. Be careful also there. We have 1, 2, and the third wave. I don't think it's completed. Okay, this can just go like this and then to go lower, break this top, and then to continue to upside. Okay, be careful. I really do not see there any buy setup. Okay, so what you can do if you think that this is all the correction, what you can do is buy above the high. Okay, buy above the high, and if this will start to struggle, take it off. Okay, delete it or close it on break even because it's not gonna go far. It will just go deeper. Okay, making new low, and then you have to take it off before going higher. Let me just draw the structure. Okay, just pulling the trend line doesn't make any sense. Okay, it doesn't make any sense for me. It's quite dangerous, and you also should stay away from this. Just drawing the trend lines. Okay, so what you can do, like I said, buy above the high. If it will not go there, if it will start to struggle, take it off. Okay, why? Because this will become a nice structure for sell. Okay, 1, 2, 3, we will go down, breaking those lows, and then we will start pushing higher. Okay, so wait for this. If it will start to breaking lower, you will know where the chart is it heading to. Okay, so keep an eye, have that scenario in your head, so it will be easy because you will understand what the chart is doing once it will start it to move to the downside. So we have also a question for Dogecoin. Okay, let's have a look. Dogecoin. Oh, it's still pushing lower. Okay, we've been anticipating this low. What we can say there is we are in the not looking good structure. Okay, this can get quite complicated. Why? Because as you can see, this now it's correcting. It will go lower, tag this low. Okay, tagging this low, and then what we will have there? Okay, it's still pushing lower. I think that we forecasted this in the previous weekly market outlook. If you go back and watch it, you will see it. Okay, so 1 2 3, this is what you can have, and then going lower, taking this low, and then going higher, taking this high, and then to go down. Okay, so this is the structure which will be in the making in the upcoming days. Okay, so keep an eye there the whole April probably, or at the beginning of the April, this development will be finished, and I see the Dodge will go a little bit lower. Okay, it can push lower, so be careful. Don't buy without having a clear setup. Okay, it's not ready yet. We just have to see, we just need to see the break of this low. Okay, then this will give us 1 2 and 3, one long. The third wave is getting quite complicated. Okay, that third wave is so complicated. You see this one, it will be third wave. Okay, this everything will be third wave going down, breaking this low, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so be aware, these can struggle there quite a long time, and make sure you are not too fast, and make sure you are patient. Okay, so let me just watch also on some other coins. So guys, just feel free to use the chat. I'm here to help you. We are doing really good since last few months. There is a lot of improvement, as I can see that all people who are with me, who are following me, they are doing really well. They are improving their knowledge. I am having a lot of feedback, a lot of DMs that you are improving, and keep going, guys. Okay, I'm really happy that you are making money. Okay, this is the purpose of those webinars. I want to help as many people as I can, because I can see that people are struggling there. They have no idea what they are exactly investing or what they are doing, especially there on the crypto. Okay, I see that people need a lot of help. Okay, especially on Facebook. I saw that few days ago that people there were talking some crazy stuff that they need to buy deep and something like that, but they are, the chart is keep pushing lower, and they are just talking they need to buy more, or they need to buy more, so and so on, because the price is really good. And this is the stuff which you cannot do. Okay, don't do stuff like that. Don't watch and don't listen to those Facebook traders, or for those who are not experienced in the trading, because they will give you some drawdowns on your account, and you can have a big losses there. Okay, so rather watch webinars, you will learn a lot. Okay, basic knowledge is what you need, and from the webinars, from the last 4 webinars, okay, if you have time, just watch them, and you will see how we are doing and how you're supposed to do. Okay, it's really simple technique which will improve your knowledge. So please talk about entry points and confirmations. Seller, I know that you've been there few weekly webinars. We talk about these entry points, I think, in the previous webinar. Okay, watch it from the beginning to the end. You will find those minutes where we were talking about the entry points. Okay, so watch it. I don't want to go and repeat every webinar where you have to enter, how you have to enter. Just sit down, take some time, watch the previous recordings from the previous week. Okay, you will learn and you'll see how and why you have to enter. Best master and trader. Thank you, Alan. Yes, Liz. What kind of condition we need to enter? We need a strong moves. Okay, you're supposed to not hold any trade there inside. Okay, this is not the place where you will have open trade. Okay, once you see that the correction is in the making, you're supposed to not be trading over there. Once this correction is completed, then you will come in. Okay, this is where you will make money, and this is what I teach you. This is what you have to master. You have to master those corrections, because once you understand when this correction is finished, you'll catch the trade, you'll have a good risk reward ratio, you'll have a good entry point, your timing will be the perfect, and what is the most important? You will be making huge money over there, because otherwise there you will just losing the patience. You will be making minuses if you will try to trade there inside. Okay, this is not for us, and you will not make money. This is money for a living, and this is money with which you can buy something. Okay. I agree with teacher and the best trader. Thank you very much, Maria. I appreciate that. I missed previous webinar. I will watch it. Thank you. Yeah, just watch it. You will learn. Okay, believe me. I can guarantee that you will see there. There are a lot of stuff from which you can learn. I always trade USD pairs. Oh, just sorry, I just missed you. Sorry. Can you review XAM USDT? Of course I can. Okay, we'll watch it. I always trade USD pairs. Is there an advantage to trade Bitcoin pairs? I have always been scared of betting against Bitcoin, which is essentially what you are doing trading Bitcoin pairs. So, uh, depends how good you are. Okay, so trading against Bitcoin pairs can give you a double profit. Okay, and this is what I do. Okay, what I do. I bought Bitcoin Euro, for example, because I create my account when Bitcoin, or I bought a lot of Bitcoin when the Bitcoin has a low value. Let me just show you the chart. We can talk better. Okay, so let me show you. I bought my crypto over there. You see, this is where I bought my account in Bitcoin. And then what? The chart is keep rising, keep rising. Okay, we are in the up movement, in the uptrend, and I'm keep making profit. Why? Because this is going up, I'm making a profit there, and then altcoins, okay, or any other coins are also going up. Okay, and I trade them against the Bitcoin. So what I did, I make also profit there, and profit on Bitcoin. This is the double profit on my account. Okay, and this is what I do. It's really good. Okay, there is a lot of money that comes in if you know what are you doing, but you have to be prepared, because once the Bitcoin will reach the highs, you will have to delete this account. You will have to take off your profit, and then we will have to settle down with this trading. Okay, this is how we are trading, and this is the logic that I'm trying to use to explain you. Okay, so it's really simple. Double profit is what I love. It's not risky if you know what you are doing, but if you're buying at the tops, or someone calls this the dip, okay, this is quite dangerous. Okay, so hope that things become so clear. And yes, I'm still holding my Bitcoin. Okay, this is where I bought my Bitcoin, and I will keep holding. Probably whole this year I will be holding the Bitcoin. Maybe I will add some. We'll see. Okay, not ready yet for adding more, because there's a nice profit, and I don't need to force and risk on the bad spots. Okay. Sushi audios coin, please. Yes, we will watch it. Do you use any indicator? This is also what I have have answered in the previous webinars. I think you have a lot of to watch our previous recordings. Okay, so watch them and let me know if you learned something, because I explained everything into details in the previous 4 webinars. Okay, you will get all the answers there. But yes, I don't use indicators to trade. Okay, I only watch MACD, and that's all what I need to trade. Okay, the indicators are there, which will just confuse you. You'll miss the big moves, and yeah, trending market is what will confuse you and what you will miss if you will be using indicators. No worries, don't no problem, Salah, no problem. You can keep asking. That should not stop you. If I said that this is in the previous recordings, you just have to ask more. Maybe there is some questions that I still didn't answer, so feel free. I will be keep answering the questions. So and for now, let's have a look on XMUSDT. Okay, so one guy wants that we will have to take a look on XMUSDT. So let me see what do we have there. What you can do there is XM. Let's see. Nothing yet there. Okay, don't buy it. This can go deeper. Okay, as you can see that this is struggling. It can go for one more down. Okay, not ready. So don't get in for any buying. There is only for a sell. Uh, what else? CRV, INJ, and NEO. Okay, CRV. I think that I have that one. CRV. Okay, that one. What we have there is this can go tagging this high. Okay, and we have one, two, three, and then one more down. Okay, so this is where we are at the moment. What I can see there, it's more pushing higher, but the momentum is really bad over there. So wait for clear buy setup before getting into the trade. Okay, those were those pullback which you have to wait for. Okay, let's wait for another one and then try to get in, but momentum is not there. I do not recommend you to buy there. Okay, in those highs. At any times when you have spike up and then to go down and then go up. Okay, so try to wait for this. This is what you need to wait there before you will be buying. Okay, so stay patient there. Many other opportunities are there, but try to skip that CRV. Okay, another one is INJ. INJ. I also got that one. Let me move on higher time frame. Still not a good buying opportunity. Okay, not good buy opportunity. But it will go higher. Okay, what we have to do or what we need to do is wait for the clear buy setup. Okay, clear buy setup is what we will have to wait for. Probably this will go like this one for a classical flat over there, and then we can start buying. Okay, don't get in too early. You will get yourself in troubles. Okay, something like this is needed. This will confirm that you can start buying. Otherwise, don't jump in. Okay, don't jump in. So what it can happen over there, going down, going up, going down, and then you go start buying. Okay, so keep an eye there on this development of the structure, and then you can start buying. Okay, it will be a nice opportunity, but let it to complete. Okay, let it to complete before you start buying it. And Neo, we have also question about Neo. Let me just found it. Neo, where is it? Somewhere. That one's quite better. Okay, we've been watching also that one. What we are having at the moment is, let's have a look on daily structure. Daily structure, yes, we will have a nice push over there. Okay, watch for your buy setups. Okay, this is going at least breaking of this top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is what we'll have. Can it go totally to the top? No, I don't see it right now. This is not a momentum for buy. Okay, buying momentum, it's not yet there, but you can have a look and start watching for the buy setups. Okay, watch for the buy setup. Don't buy there at the top. This is quite dangerous. What we can see there, let me just give a second. We need one more down. Okay, so one more down is needed. This will be the correction in the middle. 1, 2, 3 down. Okay, this before buying. So keep an eye there for this development, and then you can consider buying it once you see the break of this top or tagging the trend line. Okay, this is what you have to do, but definitely watch for your buy setups. Okay, it's really easy. Can you review XAM USD? Didn't we just watch that one? Of course we did. No, we didn't. We'll add that one also. XM USDT. I think we watched that one, didn't we? Just a second. I think that I just. Yeah, we watched that one. Sorry, I just got confused a little bit. Crazy. Sushi. I think that. Sorry. We'll add that one. Yes. Sushi. Sushi Bitcoin. Oh, this one is it's diving. Okay, so what you have to do is wait. Okay, this is the big structure in the making. Let him some time to complete itself. We need to break this bottom before you will start watching it. Okay, so it needs some time. Okay, this is going lower. It will definitely take this low, and then you will start watching for a buy setup. Okay, you have a lot of time before this will continue to reverse. Okay, this will be probably 1 2 3 then, and then one more up, and then it will go huge down. Okay, but yeah, this buy is what you are interested for, but let it to complete. Okay, let it complete over there. How long it will stay there, we don't know, but once this will be completed, then you definitely wanna go for this buy. That's nice money over there, so you can consider buying the sushi on time. Audios coin, please. Type them, okay? Type some of them. Bitcoin brother. You're also holding the Bitcoin, or everyone should have some Bitcoin this year. It's going really nice, going. This is some passive income. You can build some passive profits. Okay. So are you buying more Bitcoin in the dips to trade Bitcoin pairs as you go, or are you reducing your Bitcoin holdings when you think other coins would be better use of assets? I'm not buying more Bitcoin at the moment. Okay, that's not a good entry point now to add more. Okay, so what I will do, I will be patiently wait. I want to see that this will go deeper. Okay, let me just show you. There's a lot of drawings in my chart. Sorry, this is for reading room. Okay, so what we can have there, this is not a momentum for the buy. It can go easily for one more down, and then it will go higher. Okay, and this is spot where I will become interested for more buying opportunities. Okay, to buy more Bitcoins, but at the moment I don't see. Okay, I don't see this thing. What it can happen there is this will be the short push. Okay, short push breaking those tops. It can even tag the trend line, and then it will go down. Okay, and this is the reason, just this. Okay, this is the reason why I'm not buying more Bitcoin. I'll be interested to add more Bitcoin when this correction will get bigger. Okay, when I will see this one, then there is where I want to get in and add some Bitcoins. Okay, I will add, definitely I will add there. And where's this drawing now? Let me just show you. Okay, this is where I will draw. Okay, I will be waiting this one to going lower. Okay, this going lower, and then I will be start watching for a buy. Okay, and then I will be buying. If it will go straight now, that's not gonna be a long term buy, and this is the reason. It's much more riskier if you will be buying right now. Okay, but momentum, it's also not there for a buy. You see, this momentum, it's not a buying power. This is not how should buying power should look like. Okay, this can easily drop down, dropping down, and then from there, this will be where you are watching for your buying opportunity. Okay, but not just buy, wait for the clear setup before you will buy. Okay, makes sense. I will also place an alarm over there in case that I will forget to watch it, but that will not happen. But anyway, I will place an alarm there, so I will get notification once the Bitcoin will reach the 4046 area. Okay, so 46, around 46 is where I will start watching it. Okay, and every one of you should also watch it. What do you think about US Tech? Okay, you have to wait. Okay, with US Tech, we will all watch all those indices after after Forex. Okay, we will now slowly move on Forex pairs. Let's see if we have any more questions about crypto. Please look at XRP. Yeah, of course, you are welcome. I will watch the XRP, no worries. Let me just find it. XRP, it's supposed to be somewhere there. Yeah, it is. XRP, what do we have there? This is doing what? Oh, this is quite complicated structure, guys. Let me just clear the mess a little bit. Let me move on daily so I can tell you what the price is doing exactly. Oh, we are still in some kind of the middle of the correction. Is the one? This is the second wave. Now we have one, two, three. Okay, how far it will take, so we don't know. We just have to watch it, but it can even take that high and then going lower, breaking this low, and then it will be the time for a buying. Okay, this is what we will have, and stay away from the XRP if you want to buy it, don't buy it. Okay, it's too early. No, it's not the spot to buy. But if you still want to buy some, uh, let this flag to become bigger and then take the buy. How far it will go, breaking this top or this top? Okay, depends. This is what you can watch. 1 hour time frame will be enough for you. Okay, this is what you will do. Watch this one. This is the flag which you will have to watch. Buy above the high. Okay, this is where you will be buying, and then breaking this top is dangerous because it can turn and then going up and then going down. Okay, so you see that most of traders are struggling there. They get in. Okay, then what happened? They are holding. Price tag the previous top, they are still holding, and then price drop down. Okay, and then they close with the minus. Okay, and then what? After a few weeks, the price went back, and then they just smashing their hair. Oh my god, what I just did. I'm stupid. I should not do the same mistake. And what now? The price is going back at the top. I will miss the trade. Okay, and then they buy again. Okay, they buy exactly over there. They buy there because they are frustrated. They feel frustrated. Chart go went up a little bit higher, make new high, and then it drops down totally. And then they what? They lose again. And this is the example what you should not do. Okay, I got a lot of DMs that people are having this problem. Okay, exactly this scenario is where people are struggling the most and where you are losing the most. Okay, don't do that kind of the mistake. If trade is not going, for example, if you're buying there, if trade is not going above this high with a good speed, with a good momentum, close it. Don't pray for anything, and then watch to buy around the previous bottom. Why? Because we know, based on our knowledge, we know that this is the impulsive movement, and this could easily become 1 2 3 flat over there, 1 2 3 flat there, and then what? It will break top. Okay, break top. It will complete this huge correction over there, and then it will drop, tag this low, and then it will go high. Okay, so this is the knowledge, and this is the simple understanding how market moves, and that doesn't make any sense about any political, any fundamentals. Okay, that every chart moves the same. Okay, so for those who understand how the market moves, they can trade Forex, crypto, oil, commodities, whatever. Okay? It doesn't matter which chart is it, they always and they all behave the same way. Okay? It's so easy. This is simple stuff and simple understanding. Are you using support and resistance line? Because I see you only use trend line. No, support and resistance lines are not good. Okay, those I call them gambling lines. Okay, those are just the gambling lines, and support and resistance lines on your chart will not work out. It will only work really good if you will go and backtest. Okay, in backtesting, when you see the chart, it works amazingly. If not, in the real market, you cannot apply it, and that stuff will just bring you some minuses on your account. And try to avoid using the support and resistance. Okay, because it looks too simple, but when you try to apply it, it simply just doesn't work. Okay, trust me, I've been trying to trade this support and resistance. Okay, at the beginning of my career. Okay, that was since 5 6 7 years ago. Okay, for now I've been trading 9 years, and at the beginning of my career I've been trying to trade those support and resistance lines. I've been also buying the course where they were teaching me about how to properly trade on support and resistance, how to use and watch doji candles and those candlestick patterns and so on, and that stuff simply just doesn't work. Okay, I've been trying for 2 years. Okay, I was struggling 2 years, try to understand and trying to make some profit out of this knowledge, but it simply just didn't work. Okay, I was just consistently losing, and I couldn't predict with those supports and resistance the upcoming move. Okay, and when there was the trending market, I just missed it, and this is what always hurt me. Okay, when there is the trend, I want to be in because I want to make fast money. I need money for a living. I cannot just wait 10 years to make some money. Okay, this is too long period, and that everyone of you should do the same. Focus on fast move. How it doesn't work if many people use it. This is the problem, man. They are using it, but they are not profitable. Believe me, this stuff looks really simple. Everyone, it's showing how support and resistance works and how they are using it and how they are profitable and la 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 la. Okay, there's a lot of fake stuff on the internet, especially on the Instagram. Okay, on the Instagram, there's a lot of fake traders. So what they do, let me show you what they do. Okay, this is what I seen are really a lot of time. Okay, this is what they do, and they reply the chart. What they say, that they predict that chart will go to the downside. Okay, and they just put drawings there. Sorry, they put a short position there, they put stop loss there, and then they move the chart forward. Boom. Okay, and then they say, look how good my support and resistance trade was. Look at that one. You're supposed to catch it. You should not to miss it. Okay, there is the 5% of the profit. Come on, guys, let's use it. Buy my course. I will teach you about it. Okay, this is how this stuff doesn't work. Okay, this is what most of the traders does. Okay, please talk about time frames which you are mostly to draw trend lines. I use the multiple time frames. Okay, I'm dynamic. I'm not fixing on one single time frame. Okay, I start and analyze the chart on weekly and daily, and then I'm watching it closely on 4 hour and 1 hour. Then I'm watching my entries on 1 hour and 1 hour, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. Okay, these are the my entry time frames. Okay, this is where I watch for entry. So 1 minute, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, and 1 hour is where I search for the entry. Okay, I need lower time frame because I want to be in the trade from the beginning since it starts to move. Okay, because on lower time frame it will show you on the right time when it will start to move. Okay, but I cannot go now into those details. This is too long. Webinar will be too long, and this is what I teach my traders in my academy. Okay, this is 6 to 8 weeks training course which you will have to stuff, and then you will see that on every top you will see the same behavior on lower time frame, and you will be able easily to catch it, and you don't need any additional indicators, any additional support and resistance, and so on, the stuff that simply just doesn't work. Okay, so here's the question: are you doing Forex? Yes, I do. Okay, yes, I will do the Forex now. But say you wanted to enter some pair right now, you either have to buy more Bitcoin or reduce your holding to buy the pair. What would you do right now? But say you wanted to enter some pair right now. I don't know if I understand you correctly, but what I do, I'm holding this Bitcoin account. Okay, I'm not closing it, and I will not close it. Okay, I'm holding it and will not close it until the price will be pushing higher, and until there the higher time frame will show me that there is much more potential for the upside. This is the reason, and I will never, not even reduce it, not even close it, and so on, until I will see the behavior or the price action like this one, which will tell me that the price will go totally to the downside. Then I will close it over there. Okay, because nothing will drop without price action or without any sign. Okay, Bitcoin always drops, or not only Bitcoin, every chart does. Okay, let me show you just one quick example, then I will move on. It took too much time. Let me move on daily. So 3 years ago, 3 years ago, okay, 3 years ago, when chart was going down, okay, it show you it didn't just drop. Okay, what the most of traders are talking about, it didn't just drop. So what it did, it went down, it corrects, and then drops. Okay, so what it will do, Bitcoin now, before it will drop, it will correct, and then it will drop. Okay, and this is where I will close my Bitcoin account. Okay, on this behavior is where. But let's have a look. Do we have that kind of the behavior right now? No. Okay? No. We don't have this behavior. Do we have any sell? Of course we don't have. Lower time frame? Yes. We have a sell, small sell setups, but on higher time frame, I don't see this drop. Okay? I don't see this, and I'm not scared about it because my entry points are really good placed and there's nothing to be afraid of. Okay, I'll be keep adding more, like I said, few minutes before. Okay. So yeah, I really spend now a lot of time talking. So I'm really glad if that will help you. Okay, because this is why I'm here. But for much more details, we need more talking, and you need to be properly educated to understand me. Because sometimes when I start to talking about those structures, okay, when I go into details of the structures, you will not understand me if you are not educated well. Okay, and now in our academy we have the rules which we are following, and it's much easier. So right, I'm not talking about closing your Bitcoin account. I wouldn't, but the exchanges I am in, you have to use Bitcoin to trade Bitcoin pairs. I'm not trading Bitcoin pairs. They are not ready yet. Okay, I'm just waiting. There's no potential for buy on other coins. So let me just watch those NFT coins and then we'll move to the Forex. So are you still with me? Those who are for the Forex, let me know you're still with me. I will pass that crypto and then we'll move on Forex. For those who are watching only crypto, you can also stay with me. We use the same technique, the same knowledge on the Forex. What you can do if you're not trading Forex, you will just learn something new. Okay, but it will be good that you will start trading Forex also, because with Forex you can make money where there is no opportunity on crypto. Okay, so it's good stuff. It's good stuff to learn. Okay, that is what I was looking for. Okay, I'm glad that we found each other. We understand each other. This is great. So it's nothing yet ready, yeah? Okay, so be careful. Uh, G TXZ Bitcoin. Okay, cheers. This one, it's a little bit dangerous, guys. Be aware. Okay, we are keep pushing lower. We didn't break the low yet. Okay, for those who want to buy it, we didn't break this low, and this can easily break down. So if you are trying to buy, if you bought, watch it, but that doesn't look good. Okay, this is looking like a sell now. One, two, three. So what the chart it will do, it will push lower and it can easily go now break this low. Okay, this is what I will be happy to see. I will be happy to see the break of this low. Okay, so this pair pushing lower, break, and then I will watch for the buying opportunity. Okay, easy, and this will be my opportunity also to watch. Vex, nothing there. Okay, it's trying to push higher also. It can correct pushing higher this top, but be aware this buy is dangerous until you have a nice clear buying setup, which is not in the making yet. Okay, so wait for this, take the trade, and then be aware sideways movement. Okay, cryptos are not looking good. They are quite messy. They are not in this uptrend anymore. They are in the big corrections. Okay, as you can see, if you watch into details the other coins, you will see that they are in the correction. Some of them are in the sideways, some of them are in the deeper correction. So this is the reason why nothing is not ready yet at the moment. Nothing there also. Okay, this can easily push lower, breaking this low and then pushing higher. There go, same there. Okay, this is not a buying opportunity and not buying momentum. Go up, breaking this low also, and then it will push higher. So stay away. Send Bitcoin. It went up from this correction, and now it's not opportunity for buy anymore. It will go for the deeper correction again before pushing higher. Mana, okay, went higher. There was some struggles, but there was the buy setup. Okay, on lower time frame, there was the buy stop. There was one more buy stop. If you will buy above there, you're supposed to slowly close it. But they are not moving far. Okay, you see, they are not moving far because they are not ready yet for a selling. Okay, what this can form are running flat and then it can continue to the upside. Be aware, watch closely. They are not ready yet. Just don't rush. Okay, so this one can also go lower. We break the top, momentum is not there. It can continue lower. Rose Bitcoin, same there. They are showing one more low. Or if you want to buy it, let's wait to break out of this structure, correct, and then take the trade. Okay, this is much more safe option and much more, how to say, stable option for those who are not educated well. Okay, so if we wait for this one, it will be much better opportunity. Okay, because this can easily drop down and then going higher. Ah, same there. This one can also push lower. We still didn't break this low. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, one big correction. Okay, so correction breaking and then we'll go. Okay, so still some time, needs some time. ASX still looking crazy. Okay, it went. Okay, basically it went higher there, but this is not a momentum. You have to fast taking off your profits. Why? You see, easily going down and up. A lot of those coins are in the correction, so this is the reason why we are not watching that crypto at the moment into deep look. Uh, waiting for Forex too. Thanks. Oh, you guys are welcome. I know that you've been waiting too long now. It's been almost 1 hour since we were talking about cryptos. Okay, so let's move now on crypto pairs. So who take money on New Zealand pairs this week or previous week? Sorry, let me know. Have you guys took any money there on New Zealand? I hope you got. There was also nice forecasts. We've been talking in the previous weekly market outlook about New Zealand pairs, and you're supposed to have profit. Okay, I got some DMs. That one guy, I don't know if he's now with us. He made a nice profit previous week on New Zealand pairs. Okay, and this is really good, really good. I'm happy, guys, that you are making money over there. So let's go. Are you still with me? I will go now and start with the DXY. NUSD here. Okay, great. Maria took it. Perfect. You did a good job. Probably you're really happy now with your profits on your bank. Okay, this is my purpose and this is what I want to see. I want that every one of you will be making money. Okay? So let's go. What we can see there on DXY. Okay, DXY guys. This is the chart. Oh sorry, I just misclicked something. Just a second. Where's my chat now? Okay, here. Okay, so I can see what you are typing. There's a lot of messages there in chat. I'm really happy that you guys are active and you're learning. So let's go. So if you have any question on Forex, just also type in immediately. I will answer it. Let's go. DXY, what do we have there? And what we can anticipate there is the price is struggling. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down, and then 1, 2, 3 up. Okay, this is quite complicated correction. So what is it indicating to me? It will go for one more down. Okay, I still see the tag of this low. You see, we are in the huge correction there. This is the weekly correction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, breaking this low. It's quite possible, and we can make a nice money there in this short term or medium term sell setup. It could go really fast, and USD will give a nice opportunity there on that side. Is it ready right now? No, it's not ready yet. Okay, we need a couple more days. Probably on Wednesday there it will be a nice reaction, nice sell setup. What we want to see is breakdown, correct, okay, and then breaking lower. Okay, this will be amazing and really fast movement. Okay, so what do you think about pound Aussie pair? Okay, we will watch it. What I do with Forex pairs, I go step by step. Okay, no rush. I'll go step by step. Now I'll watch the Aussie pairs, then I'll watch the New Zealand pairs, and then CAD pairs, Euro, and then are the pound pairs. Okay, so this is how we do. Aussie yen, you're supposed to already take off your profit. Okay, there was a nice opportunity for a selling opportunity. If you take the profit off, great, you're doing well. So what you have to be careful right now on the Aussie pairs. This could be 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the running flat, and it can, what it can do, it can quickly take this top, and then it will turn to the downside really fast. Okay, so you can watch for this buy opportunity, but be careful, you are countering this. You are buying at the top, so you're not countering. You are buying at the top. Okay, if you'll see that weekly structure where you are buying at, you see, and this could be just the one candle, and then it will drop down. Okay, so this is the reason. You have to understand where you are buying, and it could become really dangerous if you go for this buy. I will probably, and we probably will not go for this buy in our trading academy. We'll see, depends how this correction there will looks like, if there will be any. If this pair will just go straight, break this top, good, then we'll be focusing again on the sell. Okay, we already booked some profit there from this sell, and you should do the same. Okay, wait for the correction if you want to go for the buy, and then once it will break the top, watch it and take off your profit. It's going down back. Okay, so this is what you can watch for upcoming week. Also New Zealand, same there. Okay, same there. There was the running flat. There was one more confirmation. It went up. So what it can do now, don't buy there. Okay, wait for the deeper correction. If you want to buy, it will just go taking the trend line and then continue pushing lower. Just a second. Just let me grab some water. Okay. Uh, Also New Zealand. So yeah, I do not recommend you to watch it. Okay, however, ignore it. It's not looking good pair, so skip it. Aussie Nokian. What you can do there, if you took the sell that we've been talking in the previous weekly market outlooks, there was a nice opportunity. If you gone for this sell, you're supposed to take off your profit. Okay, it didn't move aggressively. If you didn't take off profit, you're supposed to close it now. Okay, why? This is showing some deeper correction before going down, but don't hold this, please, guys. If you're having the sell there or there, it doesn't matter where or from there. Don't pray for this correction, because this can at any time soon extend itself, break this top, and then you will put that profit back to the market, and this is what you should not do. Okay, you always have to take off your profit. Use the profit that market is offering to you, and then sell again. Okay, you always can sell again. If you don't have that ability, or if you know, or if you're scared to get in back again, or if you think that you will miss something, this is the FOMO effect. Okay, fear of missing out. This is what you're supposed to not have. Okay, so if you are struggling any of those problems, then you have to back test more, so you get that self-confidence, and then you will be easily opening and closing the trades. Okay, this is the really powerful stuff, and this is what you need to have if you want to be a profitable trader. So let's go. What this is trying to do, this is it can easily go for one more high. It will give us the bigger correction, and then it will go down. Okay, so watch it. Aussie Nokian could be an interesting pair, but let it to complete. Okay, Aussie Sick. Here is the nice example of what charts are doing. We have our running flat in running flat. So what is this? We have an impulse and a running flat in the running flat. It makes high. Okay, you see, we break the high, and then we go for the bigger running flat like this one. And then the price is doing what? It's going higher, breaking this top, and then it will turn to the downside. Okay, so if you don't know high, watch this example over there. You see? This example there, it's a nice example what how the charts are doing. Okay, so we have first wave there, second wave there, and then this wave is this one. So what it did, it go and tag the previous top. So what this wave will do, it will go and tag this top, and that will reverse the downside. So if you feel comfortable, you can go for this buy. If you find a buying opportunity over there, any flags, you can go simply for the buy. Okay, but you have to be aware, you have to take off your profit once the top will be reached. So easy. Okay, buy and take off your profit. Aussie USD, let me move back on the high time frame. Aussie USD, I want to see that this one will push lower, but be careful. USD is what we want to see, that it will drop down. This will push the Aussie USD to the upside. Okay, It could be quite interesting week there on Aussie USD. We just have to keep an eye and watch it. But this behavior doesn't look for a buying opportunity. Okay, at least not yet. It can turn during the day or during the week. Sorry. Okay, it can just push higher, give us the bigger correction, and it will go. Okay, this behavior is quite possible, and this will be turning point. But for now, we don't have this, and what we can do is just watch for the sell stops. I know that I'm talking too fast. You can slow down when you will be watching the recordings. So, okay, I will try to slow down a little bit. And yeah, watch for this selling opportunity. Okay, it could be a nice at the moment. If this will appear, you know what to do. Aussie cat, same there. Watch for the selling opportunity. Oh, I just misclicked the time frame. Okay, this is what we can see. You can see the momentum is trying to die out, but this is sell opportunity also there on Aussie cat, Aussie chief. We are in some mixed structure. Okay, there's the impulse, and we have wave to the upside. The second wave is completed. So this is the first wave, second wave. The third wave is still not clear and not completed. So this could be the third wave. Okay, correcting there, and then going lower, and this will be the third wave, and then one more up. Okay, this will just complete this flat over there. Okay, flat there, and then continue to the upside. This is how this can develop. Can it also continue to the upside? If there will be a nice correction, then yes. Okay, but I don't think so. It will be not good opportunity to buy, so rather stay away from it. It's quite confusing one. New Zealand, okay, so there is money. There is where we make our nice money. Okay, so for how long we've been forecasting this move, and there is a lot of setups. You supposed to have some profit. So can I sell more? Of course, guys. You can watch it there. Nothing is over yet. This correction it's appearing over there, so watch it. Any strong break to the downside, you can join. This chart will not go really far and really deep, so you will have to take off your profit. Okay, don't hold it and pray that you will make 10% of the profit. You can do that only from the top. If you are with us and if you're trading with my team, you can go for this trade, but not from this spot. Okay, this is not a spot where you will make a lot of money, 2%. Okay, and then take off your profit. This will maximum. Take off your profit and then wait for the bigger correction. Same there, New Zealand USD. There was the huge money over there. Okay, I think that everyone in our academy made a nice profit on it. Okay, so we all made a nice profit over there. It just jumped really nice. I've been forecasting this for really long since there. Okay, so if you go back and watch the webinar, you will learn something and you will see that we've been forecasting this move. So for the upcoming week, what we can do or what you're supposed to do is, let's see. Yeah, this can still push for one more low before going for the deeper correction, okay? But be aware this could be 1, 2, 3, and this can just start it to go higher, okay? So be careful. You just watch this on 1 hour, okay? On 1 hour is what you'll have to keep an eye on it, okay? Watch there, you will see how this will develop. This is not a buy setup, it's still showing much more down than buy, okay? New Zealand yen, okay? Yeah, this is the setup from our team. Okay, so you can see how we are taking the trades. There is at least 3.8% of the profit. Okay, this is what we made. Nice correction there. Okay, you're supposed to understand those corrections and then simply take the trade. Okay, it's easy. You'll make money, 3.8% at least. Okay, if you close it, you can also close it on 0.2. You have a lot of time. You have double bottom or however you will call it. We don't call it like that, but yeah, 0.2% is the maximum. Okay, so at least 3.8. This is the minimum what you should supposed to catch, but 4.2 if you had a little bit of luck. Okay, let's say like that. New Zealand Chief, same there. Okay, so there was also a nice trade, 5%, 0.5. Okay, so there was the loss of momentum, so we all took off our profit. So what we're supposed to do now in the upcoming week is watch this closely. Okay, these can start pushing higher. Okay, these can start pushing higher, and be aware that all New Zealand pairs can turn its direction. Okay, why? Because of the structure. Or what we can have over there is this tagging that trend line, and then it will break out of this structure. Okay, we'll see. We will watch this on Tuesday or Wednesday, probably a little bit closer to see how this will be developing. New Zealand second, nothing there, pushing higher. I see that all New Zealanders are showing that buy, this short-term buy. New Zealand Nokian even lower. Okay, this long 4-hour correction finally break down, took profit, enjoy your profit, and what you can do now, there it will be the bigger correction, and it will be more down. Okay, let's just see. All New Zealand pairs are showing some correction. Okay, so this is possible on all New Zealand pairs. Okay, bit deeper correction. Cat, nothing there. It's trying to finish the move. So every one of you can start watching the cat pairs. We have this last push. Okay, we've been watching this. Okay, what it did, it went lower and then it goes higher, break the top. So perfect opportunity to start and searching for your sells. Okay, sell is what you want to see. Is this will be your trade. Okay, watch for break and start watching for your sell setups. Cat Nokian, we are at the top. Simple as that. Analysis is there, probably since previous week. Okay, so it's there. What you're supposed to do. The move it's clear. Okay, keep watching for sell setups, sell setup, sell setup, sell setup, sell setup. Easy. All the way back to this low. Cat Yen, same there. This will be a sell. Okay, so how can I trade it? Same there. Okay, watch correction, correction, correction going down. I can see that this will be the cat pairs can break out of this structure. Okay, breaking out of this structure, it's quite possible, guys. So watch it into details. That doesn't mean you have to sell. Wait for the setup before selling. Catch if same there. We made a new high, and this is what I'm always keep repeating when we are at the top. Also crypto, forex, whatever commodities, gold, silver, stocks. Okay, they always do like this. Correct. Then they break the top. People start buying, and then guess what? It drops. Okay, so watch for your sell setup. What you can do is put a drawing over there like this and trend line, sorry, and delete those drawings. La la la. I have a lot of drawings over there. What you can do, okay, just start watching for this selling opportunity. Okay, it will come. This selling opportunity will come. All cats are watching for a sell, looking for a sell. Your Aussies start breaking lower. What do we have there? Is let's have a look. Quickly. Oh, we have a little bit complicated correction over there. You see, we have an expanded flat there. Okay, expanded flat is there. Okay, so one, two, three. Expanded flat, it's pushing lower, lower, lower. It will go take this low and then it will go high, take this high, and then to go lower. So you can start watching for a sell. Okay, you can be selling, watch for your selling opportunity in lower time frame, watch for flex, taking sells at least back to this low. Okay, keep an eye, watch it. Your chief, it will go lower. This is not a momentum for buy. If you took the buy, close it. It's not moving anywhere. Okay, it will start turning to the downside. 1, 2, 3. Momentum for sell will come, will kick in. You're Nokian. Okay, so selling there. Selling opportunities there. Selling. Okay, keep watching, keep searching for sell setups. You're Sikian. Nothing there. Quite messy chart. Skip it. Move the drawings. You're New Zealand. If New Zealand will push higher, then this will drop down. Okay, this will be the 1, 2, 3. One big structure for sell. Okay, one big structure. I will just borrow those 10 lines. I'm too lazy to pick new one. Okay, so this is, come on. This is what we are having there. What is this? This is our running flat. A huge running flat. Okay, so a huge running flat which can push this pair down. So I will not delete it. I will not put it like this. I will let it open because it can turn, but what you can do is search for sell stops all the way back to the trend line. Okay, easy stuff. This can easily appear, dragging lower back to that trend line. Okay, search for sell stops. but we are at the top. You see, good opportunity. Watch it closely. Euro USD. What is it there? What do we have? Nothing. Okay, it can go into deeper correction. If dollar will drop, this will go up, and this will be a nice opportunity. Okay, every one of you can watch for this big buy. Okay, this is the daily one. Okay, something like this. It can drag higher for one more high before dropping lower. Can it start pushing lower? Yes, it can, but there is no such setup at the moment. It will be okay, or yes. Watch this. If this will go a little bit deeper, then watch for a selling opportunity. Then dollar will go up more. Okay, one more up on dollar will be if this will appear over there. Okay, like this one. Perfect opportunity. Same there. Okay, you can see those two corrections will be the same. Okay, going deeper. If it goes deeper, better for us, better risk to reward, stronger trade, better profit, fast profit. Okay, so watch it. Euro yen. Okay, there was also one trade that we took 3% of the profit. So let's see what we can have over there. This could be completed and pushing higher. Let's see if this corrects, then buy. Euro GBP, it went slower. Okay, there was also one expanded Fed. Also, if you sell it, great. Okay, so for my traders, those who took it, watch it. That's supposed to continue down. Once it will hit those lows, try to watch on lower time frame. If there it will be any loss momentum and take your profit off. Okay, so you exactly know what to do. Euro CAD, it will continue the downside, but this is not a good chart. Okay, not a good chart. Keep it. Pound, we finally arrived to those pounds. Okay, so pound, what they are doing, what they are trying to do. Okay, don't buy the pound. Okay, see the pound will drop across the market. This is the one huge correction. Okay, huge correction, complicated correction, and yeah, you may start watching for sell setups. Okay, this could be running flat, and then we can see more downside. So what you can do, what you're supposed to do is watch for your sells. Okay, sell is what you watch for, at least back to the trend line. Then you'll have to discuss and see what the chart is doing. Okay, but I see the breaking out of this, of all those corrections. Okay, pound USD, Joule USDT. Sorry, I see that you are commenting Joule USD. We already passed the crypto pairs. Okay, you're a little bit late. I'm sorry for that. So for those who are there for cryptos, are you still with me? Are you still with me, guys? Maybe I'm talking too fast. So watch this one also, pound USD. It can go lower. Okay, great. I see that, guys, you're still there. Still watching for this breakdown, for the sales. Lower time frame will give you a nice opportunity. Pound yen. I will not go for it. Why? Because this could be the running flat, and guess what? It can continue upside, break the top, and then it will turn to downside. Okay, so wait on pound yen. Perfect that you are still there. Okay, let's go, pound chief. Pushing higher. We've been watching this one. We know that what is happening, but don't buy it. Okay, this can easily go tag the top and then turn to the downside. Yeah, you're a little bit late. You can watch recordings. Okay, or at the end we can watch quickly on this pair you have already type. Mm, what do we have there on pound cat? I see that this can drag lower. Okay, dragging lower. I don't see the momentum for buy. This could still go lower. Okay, so watch for your sell opportunities. Sell is what we can have over there, and you're supposed to watch. I will just put it a little bit back, although that line just confuses me. Pound Sikian, nothing there, but it could go lower. Okay, you have to be patient, guys. This long wave to the upside will drop down. Okay, so watch it at any time soon. We will see the breakdown, and once it will start to break down, you have to sell it. Pound Nokian, nothing is there. Skip it. Pound Aussie. Okay, we have a pound Aussie. Nice opportunity as I can see. Okay, can you check the gold? Yes, I can check the gold. No worries. I will check it right now. Just a couple more pairs and we'll be there. I just have to speed up a little bit webinar. It's almost 1 hour and a half, and I don't want to make it too long because then those who will watch the recordings they will get scared of 2 hours long webinar and they will not watch it. So yeah, pound Aussie, definitely this is a good sell opportunity. Okay, this is a definitely good selling opportunity. This correction may be finished and we can see a nice sells over there. Okay, so watch it. Let's see how that will develop first there, but then it will push deeper. I see it going lower. Okay, I think the pound will drop this week. Okay, we just have to wait for the setup, but it can drop across the market. There it will be a nice wonderful opportunities. So Chief Yen, nothing there, is gone. Okay, so we already took the profit. We'll see. Okay, you have to see, wait for this correction to appear. Once it is completed, take the breakout. Okay, taking the breakout entry, that would be a great chart, a great profit. Chief Nokian, same there, it's trying to already break down. Watch it. Okay, it can push lower, breaking this low, and then return to the upside. Okay, so also nice selling opportunities will form there during the week. USD Chief. Okay, I just just read it. Tired. New high, it will go lower. Okay, I want dollar to drop across the market, so this will be a nice opportunity to going lower. Okay, 1 2 3, pushing higher. This is quite similar pattern like it was on Bitcoin. Okay, going higher now, it will go into the deeper correction and it will go up and it will drop. Okay, depends, we'll see, but watch it for the selling opportunities. USDN, there was the buy short term, but it can turn to the downside. There is no opportunity at the moment. Okay, so nothing is there. New Zealand Nokian, USD Nokian, sorry. uh this is the flat. Okay, so selling opportunity also, then going higher, breaking this top and then going low. So you'll probably not be able to trade it there, so skip it. Use the SIC, wait for the sell setups. Okay, so wait for this to pushing lower. How far? At least back to the trend line. Okay, this will be your profit taking area around the trend line, and if there will be the strong momentum, this your previous low will be your target. Easy, guys. Watch it closely and you will see. Use the cat. Okay, so if cat economy is going to drop, then this can push higher. Okay, be careful, but USD is also looking for a sell. Okay, so selling there, and if CAD drops, that will not be good. Okay, if both USD economy and CAD economy will drop, then this will be the corrective movement. Okay, so watch it, you will have to see and decide on time, but keep an eye. Sell stops and strong break to downside. Okay, you can sell. Okay, strong sell, you can sell, otherwise keep it. USD Mexican, it's also trying to push lower. It's already going. Watch it. Continuation to the downside. Previous low will be your target. Okay, so lower time frame. Watch for your sell stops and take the trade. Easy. Okay, so we are there on gold. Gold is getting quite complicated. So let's see what we are having right there. We just have a deep talk there in our academy on that gold. So this is why this was there. Uh, let's take this off. What can gold do? Is let's take this off everything. This is what we do in our okay, so this can start pushing for one more high and then going lower. Okay, so bigger correction can appear over there before this will push lower. Okay, for now I don't think we will go lower. Okay, at least not yet, but yeah, lower time frame, if there will be any selling opportunity, you can go for this sell. Okay, breaking this low and then to turn to the upside, and there's another opportunity, it can go buy. Okay, so be careful, it's quite dangerous to trading the gold at the moment. Okay, setup is in the middle. Okay, this is what you can have, going higher, breaking lower and then continue the upside, or it can drag lower, pushing to break this low and then going higher. Okay, so nothing yet, no setup yet. Okay, once you will have the clear setup, buy, take the buy or sell, take the sell. Okay, easy as that. Silver, quite similar stuff is there. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so 5 wave structure to the downside. How far can it go? A little bit lower? Yes, it can, but I think it can go for one more correction, going down, and then to go to the upside. Gold doesn't break 1720 level. Why not? It can. Where is it? It can break. It can easily break. Okay, it can easily break to the downside and then going higher. It has opportunity. Sugar, nothing there. We've been forecasting this sell, so hope you guys take it. If not, then wait there for the correction. It can break out. Why this is good opportunity? Because if this corrects, then perfect opportunity. Same there, same there, same there. Nice profit. Take off a profit off. Okay, so easy. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going higher. So nice selling opportunities there. I want to see that correction before doing anything, but selling opportunities there. Didn't on Friday. Yeah, it didn't. It can now. Okay, this week. This week gold can break. Oil, what the oil can do. Okay, this correcting there and then pushing more lower. Okay, I see that gold, gold, the oil can break down. Breaking lower. Okay, this same there. You will. I will not be watching for any buy opportunity. Okay, this sell can stay there and then break down. Okay, watch this. Selling opportunity is there. Okay, guys, selling opportunity. We can have some problems on the financial markets based on this gold. Okay, if gold drops back down to zero or where it was at the beginning of the corona crisis, then you see, okay, charts are pointing to the downside. You see, we came back to the top and possibilities exist over there. Okay, so crisis can come. Okay, we'll see basically how this move will go down, then we'll easily be saying, but yeah, it's quite possible. Based on that corona, what is doing now, right now, around the world, we can have some messes over there. Okay, US30 going higher, what it will do, break the top, then you will be again watching for sell. Okay, so this sell, if you took this sell over there, okay, you're supposed to take off your profit or break even. So what is it doing? Let it go. Okay, one more high, and then it will go for one new low again. Nasdaq 100, it's struggling there. Okay, so selling there didn't go. Take your profit off. Watch this one. Okay, but this one can go for one more high, break this top or a little bit higher, giving you the bigger correction, then it will go lower. Okay, so be aware. Watch this for buy first and then selling opportunity. SP 500 going for new high. It's not ready yet to drop. What it will do? Make new high and then it will drop. Okay, you see they are bumping it. Okay, they are pumping it. It's in the bubble. This will break down at any time soon. So make sure you are watching and don't be blind by these buys. Okay, buys are only short term there to blind you. Okay, just high and then it will be massive drop or the massive drop will be there. So watch it closely. Don't get involved in the buy. Okay, this same there. There was the buying opportunity. If any one of you take it, take off your profit and then watch for the sell again. Okay, sell is coming. It's just a short bump. This one went lower, it didn't move, so you're supposed to close your trades. Nothing is there, okay? Nothing is there. This will be just the bigger correction there. Okay, one there, and then it can struggle there, breaking down, and then to go higher. Okay, so something like this can appear there. Love you, man. You really have high level trading skills. Thank you very much. Okay, I do appreciate all your comments, and I'm doing all my best to share my knowledge with general public. Okay, so if any one of you is interested in what I do, in how I do, and how I train people, I have academy with where you will have a lifetime access. Once you will pay, you will have the lifetime access. There is the 8 weeks training course. You have the pre-recorded videos, and there is the community where we talk and discuss about trades. There is the also daily webinar. If you have any question, I will answer into details any of question if there is something that is not clear to you. Okay, so I see that people are doing really well. They are improving their knowledge. And yeah, just join me on the link below. If you have any question to join me, you can send me the DM. I will answer all your questions. And yeah, it's really good community. So this is what will help you really a lot once you will decide to join us. Hi, can you please check XMRUSD1D great analysis? Thank you very much for. Sorry, I just got muted microphone. Hi, can you please check XMRUSD? Yes, I will check those two pairs and then we'll end the webinar. Okay, it's been too long now. It's almost 2 hours. No, it's 1 hour and a half, but yeah, I don't want to make it 2 hours. So let's have a look. Also, that one guy was asking about JUL. I don't have that one. Sorry. JUL. Oh yeah, it's there. I will check for you. What is it happening over there? Oh, this one's going down. Don't buy it, okay? You see, this is going down. So be aware, don't do anything there on JUL USDT. Okay, it's crap chart, crap pair, crap coin. Great analysis. Thank you very much. What do you think about boom and crash on that? A big crash can happen. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Have you noticed that the indices have started to go in opposite direction of each other and they take turns leading US? Yeah, I saw that. Okay, but I can see that all the indices can drop down. Okay, the massive drop can appear there and crisis can come really fast. Or let's say there will be the inflation. Okay, I see that inflation will come on the financial markets. Okay, as you can see that oil it's pointing down. Okay, there's the big problem. Oil it's pointing down. Indices are trying to push higher, but at any time so they will drop down. Okay, so if oil and indices will drop down, this could cause a really big damage and we can have a big inflation all around the world. Okay, do you think we are headed toward a meltdown? Yeah, it's quite possible. Okay, but what is really happening those days, what I have seen on the financial market is that all around the world there are a lot of problems with corona. There's the corona crisis and there are a lot of lockdowns. Okay, the people are in lockdown, the people are losing their jobs and they are losing the companies. uh, uh, Unemployment rate is it's getting higher. Okay, there are a lot of unemployment people and indices. So the economy it's keep growing. How this is possible? Okay, if we can see it based on the corona crisis and based on losing jobs and losing of the companies. Okay, the companies are going down, people are selling the companies, and the economy is keep pushing higher. Okay, this is something what doesn't make any sense. Okay, and there it could be a really big drop over there. Okay, so be aware, trade with care. You can find some good opportunities. I don't say that you cannot make money. Okay, you can make really nice money, especially in those crashes. Okay, those crashes will make you money over there. Okay, but you just have to be really well educated. Okay, you have to watch charts. And there's always in every crisis, in every inflation, that people are making money. Okay, so there's no scare. Thank you, CRV. We also passed that CRV. Sorry, man, you will have to watch the recordings. The recordings will be live there on TradingView, or you can also watch the recording on YouTube. Okay, just simply subscribe to my channel, please. If you are happy, just share with others. Also, the sheep that's stuck in the canal, do you think it has a huge impact on the downturn of the market? It's quite possible. Okay, there's there's a lot of problems that are facing at the moment. Indices will go down soon. Yes, this is what we are talking about. Indices will go down. Okay, we have to be really careful and be prepared. Okay, why not? Why we will not make money? Of course we will make money. Okay, this is the reason where we should make money. Okay, when you have a big strong movements. Again, thank you again for answering my questions. You are welcome. Okay, this is why I'm there. I'm always doing my best to share the knowledge and to educate the massive of people, because I see that people are missing basic knowledge. Okay, and I want to help as many people as I can this year. Okay, and this is what I will do. I'm already having a really nice feedback from those webinars, and thank you everyone for sharing and supporting me. And thank you. Even I was late. Yeah, don't worry if you're late. You can watch the recording. Recording will be live there, like I said, on TradingView and YouTube, so you can watch it at any time soon. So guys, I hope guys you have really good time with me. Hope that you learn something new. And I have shown you a really nice potential setups which you have to watch in the upcoming week. So keep your eyes on, watch the charts which I have shown you. Don't choose them all. Okay, just watch which are ready. And if you are not skilled enough, just pick 5 charts. This will be totally enough for you to watch it all the way down to 1 hour. Okay, otherwise you can get confused if you have too many charts. Don't try to add that many pairs that I have there on watch list. You will miss something and make a big mess over there. Can you please check it before you go? Okay, yeah, let's have a look there on last chart, and then I will slowly end the webinar. XMRUSD. Let's see what we have there. I see the sell over there. Yeah, this is not a buy. Okay, this is just a short-term buy, going higher, but it will go down. Okay, this is what you will have. Or in case if it will go high, it's not gonna give you nice money. It will stop there, going for the sideways and then going higher. Okay, so we are in the correcting. So I do not recommend you to trade. Okay, I don't recommend you to trade there, because there are many better setups which you have to keep an eye on it. Okay, so this correction, you see, this one can start to push lower really soon. Okay, we have there, let's have a look, something like this. Okay, so if this will stay there, you know where the chart is going, all the way back to that low. If not, if this will give you the buy, you can buy, but only back to the previous top. This is all what you can take, because then it can turn down. Okay, so this is only after having this flag you can go for that short term buy, medium term buy, but I don't recommend it. There are many other pairs to watch and to invest and to take trades there. Okay, so hope guys that you have really good time. Mana, please. So you are already late. We already passed this. Mana. Okay. You are welcome. Okay. I'm always answering all questions that you have, guys. So let me just repeat once again. If you guys are interested to join me to learn the stuff, how I analyze the charts or how I trade, I have a training course, which is 6 to 8 weeks training course, where you will learn everything to become profitable and to make amazing profits on the market. And there is also a community. Okay, this is everything for the lifetime access. You will get a community where we discuss about trades, where we take trades together, and it's much more easier if you have the community which are watching the charts the same way as you do. Okay, so any questions, you can send me the DM. You can also visit the webpage tradewithmaster.eu. Okay, the links are below the video, so simply just click on the link and you will be able to see all the links. There are the website link, there's the YouTube link, there's the Telegram link. On the Telegram, you can also send me the DM. Here also on TradingView, you can send me the DMs. Okay, man, awesome. Thank you. You are welcome. Okay, I'm really, really, really happy that I see that positive feedback and you guys are learning. Okay, so thank you, everyone, and please share the webinar and setups with others. I would love you to help build this community of people worldwide who really want to go to the next level. Okay, so take care, enjoy, and see you next Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.